This short screencast is about how to create a new document in Google Drive, and I explain this in my book Google Drive and Docs in 30 minutes, but I think it's good to have a visual guide as well. And basically all the action for creating a new document is right over here. Let's say that I want to create a new document in my EPUB folder, which I use for all my book projects. All I do is click on the folder. This shows all the files that are already there, but I want to create a new one. Just hit the Create button while I'm in that folder, select Document, and a new document will appear. Now what's interesting is you can start writing right away. Everything will be saved straight to the file, and this is what I'm going to do. Start typing something. So this is a test document, and then I will shrink the font size on the sentence. And then what I can do is I can format this pretty easily. So let's say I wanted to make this text bold. Just go up here to the toolbar, click B, it's bolded. Then I will shrink the font size here, select the text, go to this font size selector. It's on 11 by default. I want to bring it down to 9. That brings it down. Also, you can do things like add certain types of titles and subtitles. So here I selected this as, I created this as bold, but let's say I want to apply a title because I'm going to be writing a long document. It has lots of subtitles and titles and headings inside. So unbold that, and then here it says normal text. These are the style selector. Just go here and select heading number 1, and there's already a preset font size for it. You can also do lots of other tricks like adding images, adding links. So let's say I want to have a link to Google. Typing it out won't do anything, but if I select the text, hit the link button, it will. And then I just type http google.com. Okay, it's right there. It's easy to remove. I just hover over it, click the remove button if you want to do that, or you can change the URL as well. So it's pretty intuitive, and the great thing is that it's saving all the time as you type, so you don't even have to worry about that. If you want to do something like change the title of the document, it's very simple. Just go up here, click on the name of it. It will bring up a little pop-up, and just call this my Google Introduction. And the document's name is changed. Lots of other things that you can do. It's all explained in my book, Google Drive and Docs in 30 minutes. So if you're interested in downloading it, go to drive, docs, and 30minutes.com. And I hope to see you soon. Thanks.